Today we're taking a quick look at these Tribit OpenGo TWS earbuds. They apparently have a 13-hour music playback time. Well, I'll certainly find out. They have AI noise reduction. I don't know how that's possible if they're open ear earphones. They are IPX5 sweatproof and have Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. But obviously straight away we get a super bold presentation, nice package, and as we open it up, wow, I mean that is a massive case. It is a smooth pebble-like design charge case. You can see that Tribit logo is on point, with a full embodied case, keeping everything fully shake-free inside. The left and right Tribit earbuds sit very strongly, magnetically pulled into those charge sockets, and we do have a charge case level indication too, at the bottom just here. And to charge the case, it will take 1 hour 41 minutes, using that supplied Type-C charge cable provided. The case, it's not that grippy in hand, it is quite slippy and it's definitely noticeable when it's in your pocket. But if we take a closer look at the Tribit OpenGo headset themselves, they are really solidly built, with a large battery to the rear, and those 16.2mm drivers to the front. I would say that they've got a somewhat ergonomic design, matte black with gloss black accents on the outer touch control panel, and both earbuds have built-in microphones too. Now, syncing these babies, it's really fast to do. And not only that, comfort-wise, we were really surprised at how well they stayed locked into place around our ears. That could be down to that rubberized coating on those ergonomic ear hooks. Now, with these OpenGo earphones, you will feel at first quite unusual. That is if you're used to basic earphones being right within your ears. You will get used to this feeling though, but while listening to some of our favourite tunes, I must admit, right away, I didn't feel any impactedness of the bass. No. The high tones sound quite fine, the mids are nice and up front, but you do feel tempted to press the earbuds against your ears just to feel more of the impactedness of the drivers. I do wish when the company looked at the design that they would have arced out and pointed the drivers more towards the ear canals. Yes, the earphones, they are indeed flexible, but for fitment only. Now, I did go ahead and download the Tribit app, where we could adjust the equalizer, and thank God that we was able to set the audio exactly how we like it. The bass has a slightly bit more of impactiveness, and the mids sounded more clear, pristine, and pretty much up front, easing out any type of sibilance issues that we had. What's great about the companion app is the touch control setup, as the initial setup right out of the box, they're not really very memorable. So after we've set them up to our preferred setting, which is 1 press on either earbud for the play pause call answering function, 2 presses on either earbud for the previous and extract selections, 3 presses for the volume up and down, with a 3-second hold for the voice assist option. Tell me a fact of the day.
Here is a fact. Did you know that the biggest cheese ever produced weighed over 57,000 pounds?
But although they did now have our preferable touch control options, I did notice that they had a 1-second delay after interacted with the touch control panel, which does become rather annoying when we want to skip back a track or in fact skip forward a track. There's just that second of a delay that becomes quite irritable. Yeah, I'm not sure that this Tribit OpenGo headset has any type of AI noise reduction. They are, however, though waterproof protected, so you'll be able to use them while on the go. Now, the usage time, we've tested this. You will get 6 hours 43 minutes music playback time that's using 100% volume consistently, and with the charge case it will enable you to charge the earphones 3.5 full times, with that charge case enabling you to charge the earphones within 1 hour 9 minutes. That's pretty good. My final thoughts though for the Tribit OpenGo earphones. Well, the pros, if you're looking for earphones where you want to stay alert of your surroundings, for your workplace etc, then the Tribit OpenGo might be worth a look. They are stable, comfortable, light durable earbuds that are suitable for most workplace scenarios. They have pretty nice audio once they're set up, a long battery life, fast charging, and you can be reassured that they won't break once they're wet. They have a fantastic connection reaching way past 30 meters, and they are indeed easy to connect. The cons though is that the charge case is huge, it's slippy in hand, no environmental noise isolation whatsoever when using the mics. Here's a quick example. Now, first of all, as you might be able to tell, my voice pickup is nice, crisp and clear, very, very loud. You can actually hear all of the noise around me. You can hear the birds, you can hear motorbikes speeding past. So yeah, the microphone volume is really, really high. It doesn't seem to have any type of ENC, so that background noise doesn't seem to be that much blocked out.
When it comes to latency, my lips are just slightly out of sync with this video that's been recorded just now. And we've watched a few videos back, that is the same too. It's not a massive issue, but if you're doing some long videos and you're walking, for example, doing some vlogging and you want to use this headset, probably not the best option because of that latency issue. Again, there's no ENC with the microphones, and we're just going to test a video out in the background just to make sure. Earphones off the TV website. Yep, definitely no ENC built into this headset. You can hear the TV quite clearly in the background, and if you're in a public place, obviously it's going to affect the microphone. So when you're making a call and you'll say at a supermarket, that background noise like supermarket music is definitely going to interfere.
But I must say that the mic quality, it picks up your voice very loud, and that case isn't, I'm afraid, wireless charged, no. But for £50, that's around 63 in US dollars. What do you guys think? Do you think they're worth taking a look? Well, I've left a link in the video description down below for you guys, and if you like what you're seeing within this video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, if you've liked this video today, like the video, please subscribe, hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now, speaking of uploads, 2 of our previous reviews are showing on screen just now, one after another. And yes, I hope to see you guys on our very next one in a bit. Peace.